party. It's gonna be a poppin' party for sure. We're children. We're cool. I don't want people just calling and giving us my plate number. Yeah. I could just not do wheelies on the road. It's not an option, I don't think. No. Let's be realistic here. How old is Reggie? Tree? This many? Trace. I smell fried chicken. Yeah, that's me, sorry. New cologne. Nice. Sean, Diddy, Combs, fried chicken. Idiot. I would never do that. Mine is so tiny. Did you see mine? Also tiny. Same as mine. Yeah. Did you see this? Also tiny. Tiny. You know what I just about to do. At least we let everyone know the bad boys are here. Two bad boys trying to make it, Mike. Didn't he just tell you that he always wears his helmet?
Oh my god. Reggie said bye, Doug.
Bye, Reggie. Bye. When I met you with my mother. When I met you with my mother. You know?
Yeah, I know.
Your satchel's kind of open. Alright, close me up, babe. You're all cinched up, babe. That was decent as fuck, bud. When I met you and my mother. You ever just meet your mom for the first time? Ah, sick, some truck rides. Glad to see someone's doing something different, you know what I mean? Not a lot of people are doing truck rides these days. I've never seen AJ drive this slow, so I'm kind of confused. It's like only 5 miles an hour over the speed limit. God, that fucking drive-thru should be illegal. That is so fucking stupid. God, why do people fucking do that? I just want everyone to know that Christ lives. Dude, they're like fucking headbanging up there. Holy shit. You better hope Christ lives, because driving like that, you're gonna die. Alright guys, comment below and tell me what kind of car that is. Because I don't fucking know. I feel like I'm sitting in that position that is like best to take moves in.
Squatty potty. That's because our bodies were designed to poop in a squat. It's smooth, pleasant, and natural.
Start that. This is fun. Groms are cooler. Dude, you're right. Groms are way cooler.
Start that thing. Start that up.
You want me to start it? I feel like I'm sitting in that position where I'm a homosexual. Oh. Huh. I guess you can do that. You do own it. You're allowed to do that, I think. This seat, though?
It's all about looks.
Is it? Well, okay.
My little yard trying to grow grass again. Stupid.
Idiot. It knows you're just going to get stuck in there again.
I'll rough that shit out, bud.
How is that real? Just don't know.
Isn't it funny? Like, you can order a sticker and pay money for it, and it's supposed to be like waterproof and it'll fade and fall apart. This is a visitor pass to a hospital, and it's been on there for, well, I guess approximately since December 16th.
Not approximately.
Exactly.
No.
Okay. I don't want that. Mine was teeny. Gotta call the cops. Sir, are you calling the cops? Alright.
How?
How do you get that parking spot and park like that?
Very carefully.
You think their handicap is parking? Like that's their handicap?
That's their handicap.
Is parking.
Wheelies is fun.
Stoppies are kind of cool. You should start trying them.
I should start. I've never tried one before.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I'm pretty good at them.
She's gonna do wheelies down Birch.
Oh, she's doing some dank wheelies.
We'll just go around Zane Square.
Or neighborhood.
I'm gonna get one of these and make it look like it's riding double with me. Bye!
Can't wait to push start this.
You see that park job? How do you do that bad? They're more out of the spot than they're in the spot. Alright, so we just met up with a friend of ours who just got a bike and is just learning to ride. She's got a Vulcan 500. She just wants some practice. And who better to get experience from than me and AJ? Feel free to practice stopping if you want to. You're not holding us up. I know you said that's what you're having trouble with. I mean, feel free to practice. Little pothole training here. How to dodge potholes.
It's louder than hers.
That poppy noise? Those are cool sometimes. I like them.
Oh my god.
Do that inside the helmet. Oh, it's gonna be rad. That looks fucking awesome, actually. Oh, that's funny, man. I want to start vaping. Honestly, I don't fucking know. I've never looked.
You have an intake tube up here though, right?
Probably. This
The
looks
throttle
like.
body's right here.
Here's my air box.
It feels like that's kind of restrictive though, right?
I imagine
It's
probably
all
a little
closed
bit.
up.
I mean, it makes 7 to the wheels. The wheel.
I'd rather
7
get an AMG.
to the wheel.
I need 300 horsepower.
7 is all you need.
Although I would like the gas mileage.
Yeah, 100 MPGs is pretty cool. God, mine's cooler than yours. Yeah. He's scared.
Oh, why?
Because that's my bike. God, mine sounds fucking sick. I never hear it other than when I'm riding it. Ride a dank woolie on that thing. I killed this immediately. Kickstand was down, put it in gear. Try wheelies on AJ's Grom and see if I don't wreck it here. It just slips more. I'm expecting it to grab and loop out. You better not be riding wheelies on my bike longer than I can ride wheelies on my bike. You can't be having that. I don't like this. You should have got a Z. There is like a lot of little differences. This seat feels like slicker to me. And this is just real soft. Yeah, dude, landing on this is like a fucking rock. I'm making you take a video of me wheeling in this bitch. Okay. Man, whoever's bike that is, I'm jealous of their exhaust. I don't mind wheelies on it. Yeah? You wanna ride one of these? Now I need a flyby video of me on her bike. All right.
This thing is weird.
Why is she braver than me at trying new bikes? She doesn't even know how to ride her own bike that good yet. Bike swingers. What if she just popped a dank woolly? Gromming it up. She's gonna sell that Vulcan tomorrow and go pick up a Grom or a Z. AJ's gonna go sell the Grom tomorrow and buy a Vulcan. That thing is so quiet. Probably making her nervous. Moto helmets on cruiser bikes is the funniest thing ever.
Is it?
It's like peanut butter and mayonnaise, you know? They just don't go together. Well, let me on that thing. This is weird, having your feet forward.
Yeah.
Everything's weird. That back brake is almost non-existent.
Yeah, you gotta really get into it.
Because this one just feels like you have to move it like miles before it engages.
I don't know.
Is this cable?
Yeah.
Oh, that could be adjusted real sleazy then. I thought it was hydraulic. It's weird riding a bike that has way more power than ours. That thing is comfortable though.
Yeah.
It's very comfortable.
You can find anything about any bike to like.
Yeah.
Comfort, obviously, for those, and like power. I gotta give it to yours on this fucking wheelies because it's way easier to bring them up.
I kept thinking like my feet should go here. Because that's like how these are. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And as always, see you next time.
Hey,